Today's tutorial is nail art design for the theme of emotional spectrum. Now let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. After simple nail prep, we will start with clean and dry nails. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We use this gel as the base color. Now, apply the base color evenly. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Now take out the French tip stickers and the tweezer from the kit. Use the tweezer to pick up the stickers and paste on nails. Paste on the remaining fingers. Let's start drawing French tips. Then cure under a UV lamp for only 10 seconds to prevent the issue that stickers are hard to remove. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Take out the nail charms from the kit. Apply foundation-based gel as adhesive. Use the tweezer to pick up the nail charms and paste on nails. After pasting the charms, your nails need to be cured under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.